Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elandelayo Bafana Bafana they will play against the Egypt. Le game ke le bafethu kuzoba kuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu because le game le izo decide ukuthi ubani ngempela ozoyithopa le group le abe unumber 1 kule group le. So far Egypt number 1 ukuthi Bafana Bafana nayo ibe unumber 1. Abo ayikho into etheni ibahlukanise kakhulu. Bahlukaniswe nje amagama because Egypt igama lakhona liqala ngo E mase kubi South Africa ke igama lakhona liqala ngo S. Both last games wabo bafethu bawawina ngo 2-1. iZimbabwe wathi dlala neEgypt lapho khona iwina ngo 2-1. Egypt South Africa dlala neAngola yawina ngo 2-1. So igame ukele bafethu engizoshaya khona ilineup prediction yami. Ungangitshela wena yakho kuma comments ungayigxeki ungitshele nje yakho ukuthi ithini nami ke ngizoyisho nje eyami. Ngizoqala epalini ke bafethu nyalazi udaba. Nyalwazi ke bafethu udaba South Africa's number 1 uRonwen Williams last game bafethu ngosikhathi sidlala against iAngola umjita stepped up. He really stepped up for Bafana Bafana. I was really doubting Ronwen Williams indlela avemba khona for Mamelodi Sundowns, but when it comes to Bafana Bafana, he always puts his A game for Bafana Bafana. Yabo uyayithanda ngempela bafethu le club le. So umjita ke bafethu I put him as number 1 weBafana Bafana. Mase ukuthi ke center back partnership bafethu I think ungezana benombokazi. I-center back partnership yabo kumele siyinikeze isikhathi. I know last time ibi shaking yana i-defending partnership yabo. I spoke about last game ngishaya ilana prediction yami ngasho ukuthi bengamqalisa mina uSibisi with Mbokazi, but ke when I saw igame ade siyidlala against iAngola I saw ukuthi le club le iAngola ithembele kakhulu kuma set piece and mesodlalisa umdlalo njengoSibisi singalimala kakhulu. So I think ukudlalisa abanye ungezana kungakwazi ukuthi kusize yabo kuma set piece because we have uMbokazi who is a short player yabo. He is very good yabo kuma ground duels, but ke when it comes to ibhola elihamba phezulu yabo uMbokazi umtholi kakhulu, but ke when we have a player like ungezala uzokwazi ukuthi akukhavele izinto ezikanjalo. So I trust the partnership yabo bajide ukuthi bakwazi ukusebenzisana, bakwazi futhi ukunderstandana because so far bona bayakwazi ukudefenda, but ke I feel like iunderstanding yabo bawubili ukuthi abakajwayeli ukudlala ndawonye, but ke I trust them at the back ukuthi bazowenza umsebenzi. Wena ungangitshela ukuthi ngaqalisa ba lapha, ungangitsheli ngoNdamane noMbokazi abakwazi uqala bo2. uNdamane noMbokazi abakwazi uqala bo2 badlala iposition eyodwa. Mase ukuthi ke ama wingbacks nyalwazi udaba bafethu. Nyalazi udaba uModiba. I really like uModiba bafethu. Last game umjita wenze umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu against iAngola. I feel like umjita underrated kakhulu, abantu abamningi abamncomanga kakhulu kuleya game ade sidlala against iAngola. Yabo ushaya nje umsebenzi oclean, izinto nje wazenza zabalula yabo. Mase kuthi ke lapha ku right wing back bafethu I trust umDawu ukuthi ahandlishe lo mfana lokuthiwa uMamush odlalela eManchester City. So idefense yethu izokwazi ukuthi imaintain ipressure ezoqhamuka neEgypt. We know Egypt inabadlali abaningi abashisayo abaqhamuka leEurope, abadlala njengoMohamed Salah, abadlali abanjengobani abanjengoMamush. Bakhona ke abanye bafethu ngangitshela lapha kuma comments, bakhona even labadlala eAfrica oImam Ashur bafethu oAdel abadlala lePyramids FC yabo. So we know these players, so I trust the back four uyeBafana Bafana ukuthi ikwazi ukuperforma kahle against this team. You can tell me when iback four yakho ungayisetha kanjani, but ke for me I think I trust le back four le. Maybe mhlambe ke ungamqalisa uNdamane with uMbokazi, just not uNdamane noMbokazi per se, but uNdamane noNgezana yabo bakwazi ukuvimba amabhola ahamba phezulu. But ke asazi iyona back four yami ke le bafethu. Wena ungangitshele yakho ithini iback four. Mase kuthi unumber 6 angifuni nje ukulo ngishona lena le nyamazo number 6 weBafana Bafana bafethu uTebogo Mokoena. For me umjida kumele ayiqale le game le, ibaluleke kakhulu le game le for iBafana Bafana because kumele sikwazi ukusiphatha isisu lesi siyodlala naso. Remember njobe yodlala nje against Egypt inabadlali abaningi abaqhamuka la eAfrica. Most ama players abaqhamuka kwePyramids neAl Ahly. Mase ukuthi ke ama forwards abo aqhamuka phi na, aqhamuka leEurope yabo. So eswini sesiyazi vele into esiyo expect yabo. So bazodlala abadlala eAfrica, nathi sodlala isabethu abadlala eAfrica siyakwazi ukuba dominate. So mina kulesa sisu lesa ngaqalisa bani, ngaqalisa uSithole benoSibisi. No, uSithole benoMokoena njalo ngixolisa. uSithole noMokoena. The reason why ngiqalisa uSithole noMokoena I feel like kumele sibe defensive first half. The reason why sizoba defensive first half ngifuna sikwazi ukubafunda indlela abadlala ngakhona. Sibavume sibenze beze kuthina more yabo, because uma siyakubona kakhulu first half ilapho khona sosheshe sikhathale khona basisheshe basifunde bona. Kanti yithi kumele sibafunde first half indlela abadlala ngakhona yabo, indlela abadlala ngakhona indlela, because I know for a fact i-Egypt izofuna ukuqala with their best players. Uma baqala with their best players, nathi siqala with our best players. I don't think lapho bafana izoba nebhench eli-right ukuthi ishintshe kahle, yabo. I don't think abadlali abazose ebhenchini bazokwazi ukuyishintsha for igame for iBafana. So kumele soqala ngesquad esiqinile esokwazi ukuthi siyibambe Egypt mase ukuthi second half ke ilapho khona sesishintsha izinto, yabo. For me, abajida abawu2 ade bagcina ukudlala ndawonye. Last game sibonile ukuthi bekunaleyo rustinyana between the two partnership, but ke last AFCON they were very very instrumental for iBafana. So I trust ukuthi the more they play together, the more kuzobuya leya nto leya. But ke ibona ke abajida ngizobaqalisa esizwe mase ukuthi ke as number 10 bafethu, I don't know, maybe mhlawumbe uvalo yabo phela istage esikanje uSiphombula akasijwayele, yabo. I don't know, but ke for me I think umjida kumele awaqala ama games. Siyathanda sithande kumele awadlale lama games lawa. These are big games. These are big games and you need a player like Mfukeng kwigame kanje, yabo. Maybe second half introduce Mfukeng as number 10, maybe drop uYaya umhlalise ebenchini, udlalise bani uMbule as number 8, yabo. Asas. But again, for me, Mbule deserve to get first game la. Kumele ayithole first half njalo lapho ethu simbule, yabo. For me iyona ke isisu sami indlela esingashape ngayo isisu lesi. Masukuthi ke ama wingers a bit controversial. Yabo, ngasho ukuthi I'm a bit controversial because I'm starting with Elias Mukwana as the right winger and I'm starting with Tshepang Moremi as the left winger. The reason why I'm doing this, I want to keep a player like Nkota ebenchini who will change the game. I want to keep a player like Osuna Police ebenchini who is going to change the game for iBafana. I know last game Ubani Osuna Police scored a goal for iBafana, but again I saw something yabo kulesa squad iBafana when we introduced Ubani now, when we introduced Tshepang Moremi, we introduced him kwa left, sathatha bani sathatha Osuna Police samisa ka right, lapho khona engakwazi ukudlala khona kahle. Ubone sesimthatha Osuna Police simisa ka right, adlala ngalendlela ejolo ukudlala ngakhona. Igoli lakhe lokuqala first half ulikore edlala ezu left, yabo. So I propose ukuthi one of the two guys must sit on the bench, yabo, between Ubani Tshepang Moremi and Osuna Police. So Tshepang Moremi for me I think kumele ayiqale le game le against the Egypt, mase ke Osuna Police aqhamuke as i-super sub or i-impact player second half, akwazi usayishintsha igame same as ka right bafethu siqalise bani Elias Mukwana. Abantu abaningi I don't know why bengamthanda Elias Mukwana bafethu. I don't think you guys understand how good this guy is. I don't think you get uLomjida ushisa kanjani. uLomjida bafethu one of the best wingers, one of the skillful wingers esinawo kulesa squad seBafana, and Hugo Broos uyamthemba nje indlela uMjida amthanda ngakhona. So for yena kumele ayiqale le game le, une experience ade aba khona kwiBafana uMjida last AFCON vele ubekhona. So ngingamqalisa mina as i-right winger, ngibeke bani uNkota ebenchini aqhamuke esezoyishintsha igame second half, yabo, with umfutho wakhe, because umuzofaka uElias Mukwana second half for me uMjida akasinikezi leyo nto lesiyidingayo second half, yabo. Ingakho singaqalisa bani yena mase ngifaka uNkota second half, yabo. Same as uMfukeng, uMjida dinga ngaba right second half, mase kuthi ke up front nyamazi kuMjida kumele aqale. Nyalwazi udaba bafethu, angifuna ukulonga le nasike isquad seBafana engasikhetha mina mase ngithola ithuba against the Egypt, yabo. It doesn't look that appetizing, but isquad ise-first half lesi bafethu. Isquad ise-first half, i-first 11 mina engayiqalisa mase ke second half abajida bakwazi ukuthi bashintshe bafake more skillful and more impact players abazokwazi ukuthi baswinisele igame, yabo. But ke nalabo bangakwazi ukuthi basinikeze something, yabo. But ke wena wangitshela wena sakho ischeme sithini, bathina abadlali wena ungabaqalisa bobani ungababeka